Don't buy a truck until you see the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss. Chevy is taking the Trail Boss formula to another level with a factory lift, massive 34-inch mud terrain tires, tougher off-road hardware, and a completely redesigned high-tech cabin. But is this the Silverado you should be waiting for? Let's take a closer look. From the outside, the 2027 Silverado Trail Boss immediately looks more aggressive than a standard Silverado. The biggest change is its factory-installed 2-inch suspension lift, giving the truck a taller, more commanding stance and additional ground clearance for off-road driving. Chevy also adds heavy-duty monotube shocks, designed to better handle rough terrain and repeated impacts. Up front, an aggressive off-road hood design gives the Trail Boss an even tougher appearance, while the overall stance makes it clear this truck was built to leave the pavement. And then there are the tires. The 2027 Trail Boss comes with massive 34-inch mud terrain tires straight from the factory. That's a major upgrade for drivers who regularly tackle rocks, mud, dirt, and uneven trails. Larger tires can improve ground clearance and help the truck maintain traction over challenging surfaces. Combined with the 2-inch factory lift and upgraded monotube shocks, the Trail Boss delivers the kind of aggressive hardware that gives this Silverado a serious off-road personality right out of the showroom. Inside, the transformation is just as important. The 2027 Silverado Trail Boss moves away from the older dashboard layout and introduces a much more modern digital environment. At the center is a huge 16.3-inch touchscreen, giving the cabin a significantly more high-tech appearance. The driver also gets a 12.2-inch digital instrument cluster, creating a cleaner and more customizable display behind the steering wheel. It's a major step forward for the Silverado interior and gives the Trail Boss the technology you'd expect from a modern full-size pickup. Under the hood, the 2027 Trail Boss will offer several powertrain choices. At launch, buyers can expect options including the enhanced TurboMax, the 5.7-liter V8, and the proven Duramax diesel. But there's one important restriction. The larger 6.6-liter V8 will not initially be available on the Trail Boss. Instead, that engine is reserved for trims such as the ZR2 and High Country at launch. For some buyers, that could be a disappointment. But for most off-road-focused customers, the available TurboMax, V8, and Duramax options still give the Trail Boss a strong range of capability. So, should you buy the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss? If you want a truck that combines everyday usability with serious factory-installed off-road hardware, this one deserves a very close look. The 2-inch lift, 34-inch tires, heavy-duty shocks, aggressive styling, and upgraded digital cabin make the new Trail Boss far more than just a cosmetic package. The 2027 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss looks tougher, smarter, and more capable than ever. But would you choose the Trail Boss or step up to the ZR2? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more new truck reviews.